The Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website is a convenient and secure way for providers to submit claims and access claims information quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial video, we will review the top reasons claims are returned for dental, medical supplies and equipment, pharmacy, vision care, and mental health counseling providers. Along with sharing the top reasons why claims are returned, we will show you how to correct any errors during the resubmission process. Let's start by reviewing the top reasons claims submitted through your web account are returned. The first reason is claim submissions that have or require accompanying documents have missing or incomplete information. This could impact all benefits. For example, when submitting claims with coordination of benefits, the date of service on the coordination of benefits document does not match what was submitted through your NIHB web account. To resolve this, the date of service on your web account submission must match the dates of service on the coordination of benefits document. For vision care benefits, this does not apply. The second reason is the coordination of benefits document is an acknowledgement statement. To resolve this, the coordination of benefits document, explanation of benefits, should detail the name of the client, the benefit, the amount paid, and the date of service. The claim should be resubmitted using your web account with the updated or missing information. Or, if you don't have a web account, please submit to Express Scripts Canada by fax or mail. We will review how to find this information later in the tutorial video. Next, let's review the top reasons why claims submitted by fax or mail are returned. This could impact all benefits. The first reason is that there is missing information on the claim form. Examples include the provider's signature, the provider's address, or the client's address. To resolve this, when submitting a claim by fax or mail, an original provider signature or provider name stamp is required. As well, the provider and client's address is required on the claim form in order for the claim to be processed. The claim should be resubmitted by fax or mail with the updated or missing information. The second reason is claim submissions that have or require accompanying documents have missing or incomplete information. For example, when submitting claims with coordination of benefits, the date of service on the coordination of benefits document does not match what was submitted on the claim form. To resolve this, the date of service on the claim form must match the dates of service on the coordination of benefits document. Now, let's review the specific reason why claims submitted by fax or mail are returned for dental providers. In this example, the predetermination or post-determination requests were sent to Express Scripts Canada. Predetermination and post-determination requests that are sent to Express Scripts Canada in error are returned to the provider for resubmission to the Dental Predetermination Center. To resolve this, services requiring a predetermination or post-determination should be submitted to the Dental Predetermination Center for dental or orthodontic services by mail. The mailing address and contact information for the Dental Predetermination Center or orthodontic services are found at the bottom of the NIHB Dental Claim Predetermination and Post-Determination form. You can also find the Dental Predetermination Center contact information by clicking the Contact Us button in the top menu bar. From there, click the Click Here hyperlink at the top of the page. Now, let's review specific reasons why claims submitted by fax or mail are returned from medical supplies and equipment providers. The first reason is that there is a missing delivery invoice with your claim submission. Delivery invoices are used when a third-party courier delivers medical supplies and equipment items to the client. To resolve this, these claims require a valid delivery invoice from the courier that clearly shows the date of service, destination, and total cost. The provider can also include a delivery invoice with the client signature for claim submission. Claims submitted with a delivery code require an invoice to accompany the NIHB Medical Supplies and Equipment Claim Form or computer-generated invoice. Once updated, the claim should be resubmitted with the delivery invoice so the claim can be processed by Express Scripts Canada. Now, let's review specific reasons why claims submitted by fax or mail are returned for pharmacy providers. The first reason is the sum of the amount claimed field is incorrect on the claim form submission. The claim was not processed because the sum entered in the amount claimed field does not add up to the total drug or item cost, dispensing fee, and markup for the DIN or item code. To resolve this, the claim should be resubmitted by fax or mail with the updated or missing information. The second reason is that the parent's information was not included on the NIHB pharmacy claim form for an infant claim. To resolve this, an infant under 2 years of age who has not yet been enrolled as an eligible First Nations or recognized Inuit client requires a verified eligible First Nations or recognized Inuit parent's information on the NIHB pharmacy claim form. To add the parent's information, update the bottom section of page 2 on the NIHB pharmacy claim form. After the first manual claim submission, future claims can be submitted through your point-of-sale system. Once updated, the claim should be resubmitted by fax or mail with the updated or missing information. You can find the fax number or mailing address by clicking the Contact Us button in the top menu bar and scrolling down to the Express Scripts Canada NIHB contact information. The third reason is there is missing information on the Days Supply field on the NIHB pharmacy claim form or computer-generated invoice. To resolve this, providers must enter the number of days of treatment contained in the prescription, or, for as-needed prescriptions, provide an estimated number of days of treatment in the Days Supply field on the claim form or computer-generated invoice. Once updated, the claim should be resubmitted by fax or mail with the updated or missing information. Now, let's review the top reason why claims submitted by fax or mail are returned for vision care providers. In this example, a prior approval request was sent to Express Scripts Canada in error. To resolve this, please resubmit the NIHB Vision Care prior approval and claim form to the applicable NIHB regional office. Lastly, let's review the top reason why claims submitted by fax or mail are returned from mental health counseling providers. In this example, the client identification number, band number, or family number is missing from the NIHB mental health counseling prior approval and claim form. To resolve this, providers must resubmit the NIHB Mental Health Counseling prior approval and claim form with the missing client information to Express Scripts Canada for processing. The NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada is available to help. Should you encounter any difficulties in understanding why your claim was returned, or if you have any questions about the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website, please contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada at 1-888-511-4666. The contact details for the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada is found on our website. Simply navigate to the Quick Links section at the bottom of the webpage and select Contact Us. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.